Hello! Today we'll be showing you how to replace the LCD in an Acer C720 Chromebook. Before you begin your replacement, you will need a few tools. An anti-static mat is recommended to prevent electrostatic discharge, which can damage electronic parts. A spudger will also come in handy during this replacement. You can use either plastic or metal, whichever you prefer. First, you will use your spudger to go around the perimeter of the front glass and bezel and carefully pry it apart from the top cover. You will note that in this tutorial, we have already removed the top cover from the bottom cover and keyboard assembly. In our experience, we have found that this makes the LCD replacement easier. If you'd like to see how to get to this point, you can click on the link in the top right corner to watch the keyboard assembly replacement tutorial. Next, you will disconnect the LCD cable from the back of the LCD. Now, you will use your spudger to carefully lift the LCD from the front glass and bezel. Be sure not to apply so much pressure that you crack the glass. Take your time and carefully lift it off. The first step in the installation of your replacement LCD will be to set it in place on the front glass and bezel. Be sure that there is no dirt or dust between the LCD and the front glass. Next, you will reconnect the LCD cable into the back of the LCD. Now, you will snap the top cover back onto the front glass and bezel. You have now successfully replaced the LCD in your Acer Chromebook. Nice job!